Hi everyone. Today I'll be presenting my pathogen report on Osario gonorrhea, the bacteria responsible for gonorrhea. This disease remains one of the most common sexual transmitted infections worldwide, with millions of new cases reported every year. I'll walk you through the classification and biology of the organism, the disease it causes, who it affects, how it spreads, treatment options, diagnostic method, and the latest research updates. By the end, we will see not only why this bacterium is clinically important, but also why antimicrobial resistance in gonorrhea is now considered a global health public threat. Gonorrhea is a gram-negative Diplococcus, meaning it appears as pairs of spherical bacteria with distinctive coffee bean shape under the microscope. It belongs to the family Neisseria and requires oxygen to grow, though it grows best with increased carbon dioxide. The bacterium is non-mortal but compensates with several powerful virulence factors. Pill help it attach to host mucosal cells where OPA protects, facilitates invasion and immune evasion. Its outer membrane lipoligocacchide triggers a strong inflammatory response, and its IgA protease breaks down protective antibacterial antibodies on mucosal surfaces. Together, these traits make gonorrhea highly effective pathogen. Gonorrhea primarily affects mucous membrane, such as those lining the genital tract, rectum, throat, the eyes. In men, it often presents with pus like urethral discharge and painful urination. Women may develop cervicitis, pelvic pain, and abdominal bleeding. Untreated infections may progress to pelvic inflammation disease, which can cause infertility. Both men and women can also develop rectal and throat infection depending on exposure. Newborns can acquire an infection during childbirth, which may lead to blindness if untreated. Symptoms usually appear 2 or 7 days after infection, though many women may remain asymptomatic, unknowingly spreading the disease. Gonorrhea is a major global concern, with the World Health Organization estimating over 82 million new cases each year. Rates are higher in sub-Saharan Africa, Southeast Asia, and some region of the Americas. Certain groups are more vulnerable, including sexually active individuals with multiple partners and who are sexually active. Although gonorrhea rarely causes death directly, its complications can be devastating and includes infertility, ectopic pregnancies, chronic pelvic pain, and blindness in newborn. Because of these consequences, early detection and treatment are critical for both individual and public health. Humans health. Humans are the only reservoir for gonorrhea. Transmission occurs primarily through sex contact, vaginal, anal, or oral. It can also pass from mother to newborn during childbirth, leading to eye infections. A major challenge in controlling gonorrhea is that many women may carry the infection without symptoms, unknowingly transmitting it to others. Prevention strategies include consistent condom use, routine screening in sexually active populations, and treating both the infected individuals and their partners to prevent reinfection. In newborns, antibiotics oil ointment is routinely applied at birth to prevent gonococcal conjunctivitis. The CDC currently recommends treating gonorrhea with a single injection of cetirizine, a third-generation cephalosporin that disrupts bacteria cell with wall synthesis. If a co-infection with chlamydia hasn't been excluded, doxycycline is also given. Unfortunately, no vaccines exist. The infection does not provide lasting immunity due to the bacterium's ability to change its surface proteins. For diagnosis, nucleic acid amplification tests, or NAATs, are now the gold standards, as they are highly sensitive and can be used on urine or swabs. Cultures are still important for monitoring and microbial resistance, which is an increasing problem. Thank you.